Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Download Poke Genie from your device app store and allow camera permissions. Grant the app access to photos or camera for quick scanning. Create or sign into your Poke Genie account and enable cloud backup. Open Pokémon Go and Poke Genie together to practice scanning. Calibrate the scanner by following on-screen prompts and aim the camera steadily. Set the quick scan option so each raid snapshot registers within 1 second. Confirm language and metric settings before moving. Open a raid lobby and scan the raid boss CP and Roman 4 using the snapshot scanner. Wait for Poke Genie to show fast Roman 4 readouts and move suggestions. Tap the team builder to see recommended counters and optimal moves. Review attacker options sorted by TDO and DPS for raid efficiency. Consider whether boosts and raid level to adjust your team composition. Save a custom preset to reuse the same counters for future raids quickly. Join the raid and open your saved Poke Genie preset while waiting in lobby. Bring shields and legendaries when Poke Genie recommends heavy hitters with high TDO. Focus on using fast charge move timing and dodge only the boss's high damage attacks. Swap to Pokémon with defensive bulk if the boss survives longer than expected. Sync your team with teammates and use voice or chat for coordinated switches. After the raid, scan the caught Pokémon to log Roman 4 and update your collection automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.